this is where I am sitting. Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode, and it's another toe kick drawer episode because I'm getting better at the toe kick drawers. This is my third round of toe kick drawers, and I think I finally figured it out. The first time I did toe kick drawers, I made a toe kick drawer and I just installed it under the cabinet. And that worked well, but working under a cabinet when you have about 4 inches of space doesn't work out very well. So, my second time I did toe kick drawers, I had little walls on them, so the hinges were all one piece. I slid it under and I screwed it down from the top. That still worked pretty good. Butters.
That's the key word right there.
Except when you have your hinges together, there's a little wobble in them, and that caused some problems. So it was better than the first, but still not 100% better. My third time now, I'm really getting my crap together. I have my drawer, and I made a little pseudo cabinet for it to sit in. So when it's all together, it looks like this.
Yeah, and there's nothing that he can do about it.
So this whole unit's gonna get installed under the cabinet itself. And the coolest part is, I can make sure it works before it's installed.
You've just inspired me to hire a DJ.
I can make sure I have my clearance because this is the highest part of it. My cabinet sits below that. I also can have my clearance underneath it, so it doesn't drag on anything. All I have to do is slide it under and screw it down from the top. It sounds really easy, and it should be easy. It should be. Let's see what I can do. For my new toe kick drawers, I bought some new toe kick slides. I don't remember what brand they are, but what I like about them is they are already set up for that 1/8 inch you need to push them back so it pops open. So when you install them, there's no guesswork anymore. The old drawer slides, you had to install the part that gets attached to the cabinet itself, not the drawer. The cabinet, you had to install that about an 1/8 inch back from the front of your cabinet drawer. These are a bit smarter. When you close them, it already has that space accounted for. So all you have to do is you mount each part separate like you normally do. You would mount that part onto the cabinet, you mount this part onto the cabinet drawer, and you always mount them flush with everything, just like that, and it does it for you. You don't have to sit there and measure and screw up because you're freaking dyslexic like I am. So I am testing these out because these should be a lot more gooder for what I want. So hey everybody, you made it to the end of the video. Good job. So in conclusion, toe kick drawers. By the third time I made my toe kick drawers, I think I finally figured it out. Making the toe kick drawers in all one unit and then sliding that unit under the actual cabinet was just so much easier than the first 2 methods I did. That's why I'm doing this video, because the first 2 were good, but this way is much more gooder. So if you have to make toe kick drawers, all one unit, slide it under, 2 screws on top, bada bing, bada boom, you're done. I would say the amount of time it took me to do this first toe kick drawer, not long at all. All I had to do is really slide it under, so maybe 10 minutes tops, slide it under. Fixing all of my screw ups, that was the remainder of the day. But the actual drawer itself, 5-10 minutes, easy. The first time I did it several hours because I did it like a normal drawer. And I didn't know, don't do it that way, do it this way if you have to do it. If not, hire it out. And just for you people out there that want to know what kind of drawer slides I got, it was the Shopfox toe kick drawers. They were 16 inches long. Those are the ones that already have the actual mechanism sticking out. So all you have to do is push in a toe kick drawer and it pops out. I didn't have to do any fancy measuring. Everything's taken care of for you. So those, in my opinion, those would be the best toe kick drawers to get. So, here's what the toe kick drawers look like. Anyways, hope you like this toe kick drawer episode. I know it's another toe kick drawer episode, but I figured it out and I thought I'd share it with everybody. So thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you next time in our house. Okay, bye.